Hi guys, ayan, and we are back with another vlog and welcome back to our channel. And grabe, parang ang tagal-tagal ko na since nag-vlog and hopefully we get to release this vlog. Pero yes, we're back at vlogging, and for this episode, I think we're more focused on our new chapter in life, 'di ba? Dahil it's 2025 and this might be the first vlog of the year din, and I'm really looking forward on the new things na mangyayari this year, and especially to take you guys in the journey na, ayan nga, nasa bago na tayong buhay, bagong 2025, bagong mga ganap sa buhay. And while 2024 has been really memorable, and especially nakita nyo rin yung mga iba't ibang stories natin when it comes both to ACADS, personal life, travel, pati yung mga career choices natin. Ngayon, nandun na tayo sa medyo sa career side. And makikita nyo later ang ating experience, ang totoong danas ng isang Pilipinong manggagawa. Pero I mean, I'm really looking forward then to, of course, join you guys and be with you sa journey na to. And yeah, I think, as I always say, enjoyin lang natin to. Enjoy lang. And just go with the flow, with direction, of course, and at the same time, do our best. Kaya naman, ngayon ay tayo na kailangan na nating umalis dahil technically late na ako. Actually, this is not my usual time, my time schedule. Dapat nandun na ako sa LRT by this time, o MRT. Pero it's already 9 a.m. and we have to go to Ortigas by 10 a.m. Kaya tara na at tayo umalis.
Safety reminders sa manatili pong nakahawak sa mga safety handrail. Bigyan po natin ang data pang lumalabas sa pasero.
First time ko dyan eh.
Yay, Taylor Swift. Yippee.
Hello po! Hello! Say hi to the vlog, guys! Hello! Para naman may edit ako na hindi puro pang kumpanya. Hello po! Hi guys! Ayan, so nandito tayo ngayon sa recording booth. Basically, I need to record something lang, voice over, for a content that I'm making. And yeah, currently, nakita niyo naman how we work in action kanina, and at the same time, nag-launch din na mabilis. Sayang, hindi ako nakapag-video masyado with my fellow interns dahil, syempre, ini-enjoy namin ang lunchtime. Pero, tingnan natin mamaya kung makakapag-chikahan tayo. But of course, we still have to work. We have got a lot of things to do today, especially may mga meetings din tayong kailangang attendan. And then, yeah, now, ang order of business ko dito sa recording booth ay mag-record kasi meron akong kailangan gawin na voiceover for a video. And then, later on, kailangan ko lang gumawa ng presentation slides for a meeting, tapos alignment meeting, then editing ulit. Then, yeah, tapos until 7 p.m. pa tayo. So, let's go, kaya natin to. And, ayun, siguro nakikita nyo naman yung view and everything, and yung environment din. So, I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. And, yeah, ang dami kong gustong chika and sabihin, pero I think it would be best to also incorporate yung mga thoughts ng aking mga interns, fellow interns. So later on, try natin silang itap at chikahin sa ating break time, ganyan. Pero so far naman, I'm really enjoying kasi I'm I'm already 1 month na rin dun sa ginagawa ko now. And yeah, I'm just hoping and looking forward for more good things and to really learn. Kasi yun naman talaga yung pinasok ko din in this internship. So yeah, let's go and mag-record na tayo. Suspect. We done with the mabilis lang na recording naman yun. And time to edit and para mapakita ko rin yung draft sa alignment meeting. Tapos, later on, we'll be creating more content dahil mag-video pa tayo. So, I guess, for now, dito ko muna siguro i-stop yung vlog and I'll walk you through sa mga gagawin pa natin. Let's go! I'm getting emotional.
My babies.
Ayan po. We're preparing for the weekly meeting. Yes.
Today is Monday and
Usually Friday yung weekly
we're
meeting
not doing
namin.
things.
Ayan. Going to the weekly meeting in a bit.
Basta meron kang copy ng tips nila, yung link ng tips nila, ma-apply. Tapos after nun, ano na, i-pull mo na, i-import range mo na. Tapos
I'm dead. Yung specific worksheet na yan, for every intern, nag-iiba-iba ko nasa.
depende kung anong link kasi dito siya nakalink. Kaya
Ah, so
kailangan
isa
Ayan. Ang bag lang namin dito ay props sa
Ko po,
vlog.
Joseph Maquinto, ang pogi mo ngayon. Nung mga batch niya, may mga picture pa yun. Tracker. Yung sa amin, iba din.
Pwede mo
Ganito na lang, i-duplicate mo na lang para may copy dito, tapos may copy dito. Pwede ba yun? Hindi.
Say hi to the vlog. Hi! We're vlogging and
Monday.
it's Happy Monday, first day of the week. Kaya,
It's a good day.
uwi na kami. Let's go. Goodbye. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.
Huwag kayong makakanta na malalayan na kayo. Eh kami mahilig ganun. Parang nagsasign up kami kasi.
Hi guys, ayan, and we are back with another episode and with another day. We're back for another day. It's Tuesday today and we're going to another on-site ulit sa internship natin since my schedule would be, thrice a week. So, it's a Tuesday today and we'll be having our on-site sa Ortigas and, well, I'm not yet late. That's surprising. Thank you, Lord. And dahil dyan, medyo magmamadali na rin tayo para di nga tayo malate. And then, siguro naman ang plans naman today is just to work. Yes, mag-work lang. And then, we're also going to prepare for some org work. Siguro, through online, I'll coordinate with my workmates kasi tomorrow, tayo ay nasa UP, finally. I really miss the campus already. And meron tayong mga event na gagawin doon for the next 2 days. So, yun ang ating plano for today and the next days ahead. And let's just, lang din talaga, enjoy siguro yung bawat work experience, yung bawat campus experience, yan, diba? So parang, yun na lang din talaga yung natutunan ko now. Siguro at the age of 22. Akala ko talaga may wisdom or whatever. Pero yun nga, na parang hindi mo naman kailangan talaga seryosohin yung lahat ng bagay. Kailangan mo lang maging responsable and enjoy the process and just have fun along the way. Ayan, and with that, let us go ahead and start our day right. Hindi inunang pagbablog.
Ituloy. Ang ganda ng clips mo yesterday.
Hi po! Hello!
Hello
I am
guys!
with my
Today,
co-intern.
and today we're gonna buy coffee.
Yes! Kami po yung
Because-
magkakape na. Hindi, pero hello po, this is AC.
Hi guys, I'm AC.
We unlocked a new character sa vlog.
Sa buhay niya.
Oo. Dahil matagal-tagal na naman since nag-vlog ako.
What's the last time?
Hindi, parang yung last season. Parang March to
Pinakailang
June.
produce ka?
Ha?
Pinakailang produce?
5.
It's a lot. Marami nanonood.
Ako na talaga nanonood nito eh. Ako lang ang target audience
Ako na.
nito.
Sama na
Oo.
rin ako.
Yeah.
So ano na tayo? 20.
Oo. Konti
Meron.
nga lang eh, pero okay lang yan. I
Kasi
enjoy
you have
creating.
to build talaga.
Oo, kailangan make, oo, ito
Kailangan
kaya.
ka be consistent.
Tsaka feel ko ewan ko, yung vibe na ginagawa ko for my vlog, hindi talaga siya yung, kasi pag pag ginawa ko yung pang TikTok viral content talaga, parang it's out of my brand naman as a person. So,
I love your story yesterday. I reposted that.
Yay!
Is that how you usually do your
Oo.
Mala aesthetic?
Yes. Lang, simple lang. Tsaka usually, subtitles nga lang.
Lovely.
Anyway, it's our 1 month na since,
Overdue na. Ano na
Oo.
tayo? 1 month and 1 week.
yes. And sobrang nakakapanibago pa rin naman yung mga bagay-bagay.
Yes.
Pero
we
nakapag-adjust.
saw the March calendar and I feel like it's gonna be hell again. So feeling ko, kaya lang pala medyo huminga ng February kasi medyo tapos na yung month.
Yeah. So, yung next hinga pala natin, at the end of the month.
Yeah, so medyo marami ulit kami posting.
Grabe. Nakakadami kong gagawin. Pero for now, magkakape po muna sa dot. And
Para may discount.
yes, this is the hashtag.
Nakakaingit. Oh my God. Abangan.
Abangan kung we're here sa Dot Coffee already. Let's go. One of our faves here. Faves. Pero ayan, favorites. Ano yan?
Oh my God, this is real. Bibiling ko sana.
Everything
Sabi niya,
bagel.
plastic lang.
Ay, oo nga. Okay. Let me order my coffee. Hello po.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Hello po. Yes po. Tag po namin yung dot.
Bigyan niyo muna kami discount at maraming meal.
Mag-is 30% shop, 10% shop.
Let's go.
Large ka ba? Si vlogger. Ba tayo ma-order? Order ng ng peanut butter protein latte. Okay, malted latte naman.
Got her drink.
Cheers!
Sarap po.
So now we're going back to
Ben's Cookies.
Kasi ninakawan nila ako ng 119
Merong-
pesos.
Hindi natin yun na-vlog, pero merong nangyaring incident like 2 weeks ago na
Ninakawan nila ako ng 119 and for an intern, that's a lot. That's like 3... Joke, bobo ka sa math. Sige.
1/4?
Oo, ng allowance
1/4 na rin ng
namin.
allowance
So
yun.
kailangan ko siyang bawiin.
Yes. And syempre, sayang naman, no? Isang cookie na yun. Eh di sana nag-cookie na lang din siya kung gusto niya bumili.
Sana bigyan nila ako ng cookie. Total, gusto ko rin naman ng cookie today.
Tama. Yun ang ating agenda.
Hindi nila ako binigyan pa rin ng cookie.
Pero, ayan, at least, totoong kape po. Medyo sumakses po tayo today with the
Success, medyo
deal
may
ko.
20% pa daw si Mama.
Oo, may 20% pa tayo sa from our, sa baba.
What's your big purchase after you got your first salary?
Wala pa.
Slap.
Alam mo, hindi, ang funny kasi I imagine na parang after na sabi ko, gusto ko mag-big purchase. Pero yung mentality ko ngayon, parang,
So, mag-save.
gusto ko siya i-save. Kaya parang,
Malaki na savings.
ha? Hindi.
As of 25.
No.
Charis, ilan taon ka?
So, 22 year old.
22. As of
Wala,
22.
hindi malaki kasi napunta lahat sa concert. Concert
Pero nasa
talaga
ano naman,
luho sa
10s,
buhay.
ganun. More than 10.
Oo naman. Pero, like, for me, feel ko dapat, tsaka tinatry ko din i-adopt na mentality. I mean, nalimutan ko kanina ko yun na narinig. Pero basically, pag may gusto kong bagay, dapat afford mo muna siya afford siya na
Twice.
pero twice or thrice para masabi mo talaga afford mo siya. Hindi yung sakto lang. So, that's the mentality we're going for now. Especially na malapit na po tayong like graduate for real.
Me na walang pera at all.
I mean, malapit na. Nagpasa naman na ng attendance for
Para sa success.
para sumakses by the next cut-off. So, sa next vlog po namin, dapat yun na yung content. Go po. Done with the weekly meeting. Ayan, done with the week.
Fourth.
Yeah, fourth.
Fifth?
Fourth. Kasi hindi tayo
Technically
nagkakalas.
fourth. Done with our fourth
Weekly
meeting.
Woohoo! Let's go! Ayan, may weekly meeting ulit siguro by Friday. I'm not sure. Pero yeah.
How many more meetings do we need to do? Like,
I think
12?
8 pa.
8.
8 pa, yeah.
This is the first week of our second month.
Yeah. Oh my God, grabe second month, no? Parang noon lang.
Mag-post ko
Kasi
sa
simula
story,
na
ay
natin.
re-repost ko. Ikaw ang
Yes.
aking story maker intern.
lang to. So say for example, roses, madami kang makikita different pillars, different foliage. And the visual balance is, pag tinignan mo yung arrangement,
So, we're back here sa phone booth and katatapos lang nung coverage ko sa taas, since that's one of my tasks here, to really cover events and create content out of it. And yeah, yung event today was related sa International Women's Day, sa International Women's Month actually. And of course, abante babae tayo, diba? Sobrang nakakatuwa na may mga ganitong initiatives here. And at the same time, sobrang interesting nung flower workshop kanina. Dami ko rin natutunan habang nagko-coverage. And I really enjoyed din filming din kasi nga ang dami ring mga tao na nag-participate. And so far naman, so far goods naman tayo for today. Natapos natin yung meeting and na-approve ang ating mga proposals for content. Yeah, hey, that's good. And at the same time, now ang gagawin ko na lang ay mag-edit pa and do some of my deliverables. Pero nagugutom muna ako, so I might call AC back dahil ayun, para kami makapag-break time na rin. Pero ayan, dito lang ako like, usually yung phone booth talaga kasi yung private space. So, ayan, I open the camera here para chumika sa inyo dahil malapit na rin matapos ang work day. So, it's another successful na on-site day. And yeah, and actually, I still have plans later. Tingnan natin kung matutuloy siya. At medyo jam-packed pa tayo for the next 2 days. I mean, yeah, dahil nga pala yun nga, meron tayong career fair. No, not career fair. I mean, meron tayong org fair tomorrow and on Thursday for UP Radio Circle. So, really excited din to go back sa UP at gumawa naman ng mga org work. Ganyan. And, yun. I think that's all. And gusto ko lang din magkwento guys na yun nga kanina kasi napag-usapan namin ni na AC yung parang realizations namin after a month of working. And ang dami naming mga napulot siguro na experience and lessons and knowledge din talaga. At saka it's really it's a wake up call din of what era we are living in. Nandito na kami sa adulting era namin and ang dami ring mga realizations na kailangan na namin mag-prepare sa mga bagay-bagay and all. And of course, overwhelming at times, but at the same time, it's really manageable when you are with people, when you know what you want to do, or when you're passionate with what you want to do. And yun nga, and you see other people then na passionate. So I'm really thankful to my co-interns then, to AC, to Angel, to Karil, to everyone that I've been with so far here. Kaya, ayun, siguro yun lang talaga. And ang dami kong sinasabi, di ba? Pero gusto ko lang din talaga kayo na gusto ko lang din talaga ipakita yung daily experiences ko so far here, working for an internship and at the same time, still juggling the academics part. And ayun, siguro now, it's time to go back sa aking desk and might take a short break lang din and then let's work. And yun, sana matuloy natin ang mga plans natin for tonight and until sa mga susunod na araw. So, abangan nyo lang yun. Let's go! Hi guys! The cookie
I got my cookie already.
Naguha na ng
Tapos
cookie.
parang galit pa yung ate sa Ben's Cookies na bibigyan niya ako ng cookie.
After 2 weeks.
After
grabe.
2 weeks, guys.
Nakuha na rin namin.
Ang bait ko na nga kasi sabi ko, sige na ate, cookie na lang.
Parang labag pa natin sa loob yung pagkakaroon ng cookie. Pero,
Siyempre, hindi naman kasi ako intended talaga bumili ng cookie. Pero good thing na lang, I'm hungry today. So,
instant snack na din.
more than 500 na nagagastos ko.
No! Pero, yan, you got a free cookie, technically.
It's not for free. I paid for it.
Hi guys! We are here sa booth ng UP Radio Circle and makikita niyo po ang aming mga members na nandito. Ayan, si Meko, na nasi-stress kasi nagliliparan na yung mga gamit, di ba? So, like, ang hirap po talaga. Danas na danas po namin ang init ngayon sa org fair na to. Pero, masaya naman po. Nasasayahan naman po kami sa ginagawa namin. Di ba? Pero now, ang kailangan namin gawin ay maghanap ng mga taong kakausapin dahil wala pa rin pong bumibisita sa org fair. So, kailangan natin magpa-meet and greet. Yun po ang aming goal today. Sino pa pwede i-meet and greet? Sino pwede i-meet and greet?
Si Fiangi! Hello Fiangi! Kung nandito ka man, sana po ay pumunta
Shoutout
ka
sa iyo, Fiang. Halika, pumunta ka dito.
Nasaan si Fiangi?
Oo. So, amats po talaga itong org na to. Pero, going back, ayun na nga po, sana po may pumisita and we will be here until Friday. And of course, be the resonance, join UB Radio Circles. So, tara po. Pero for now, aakyat po muna ako at mag-check ng mga bagay-bagay.
Bago muna to ah. Isang guys. Guys, ang tayo.
Hi guys! So, welcome back to another day. It's Thursday today and it's the second day of our org fair sa UP. Kaya tayo ay magmamadali na doon para pumunta ulit at mag-set up. Ganyan. So, yesterday it was really a successful one. Well, at least, di ba, nakapag-set up kami doon. We were able to talk to some people. Pero at the same time, we're really hoping na today mas madami yung pumunta. Mas marami ring students, mas marami ring sign-ups. Especially since we have our upcoming na orientation nga na for applicants na mga new members. Ayan. And so far naman, this morning, as you can see, I had a workout. Punta tayo nag-gym. Das afternoon, nakakain na rin ako ng early lunch because it's currently, it's 11 already and sakto din. At least pagdating ko doon, work na agad tayo. And of course, let's promote the organization, UP Radio Circle. Ayan. And yeah, I think I need to go down na rin in a bit and rush kasi ihahatid din ako. So, let's go and let's conquer this day. Hi guys! So, life update. We're here at the Student Union Building and kadadaan ko lang din sa booth kanina. Bale, sobrang init. Grabe, sobrang init po talaga. Hindi ko kinakaya yung init. Pero, nakadaan tayo sa booth. Meron na rin mga nag-register. I'm so happy. Na-meet din namin yung alumni namin, si Miss Ana. Kaya, ang saya kasi nakapag-video din kami ng yung call to action namin, which is yun nga, join UP Radio Circle, more than what you hear. And of course, I got my coffee as well kanina. Hindi ko na napakita sa Wakey Cups ulit dahil I love Wakey Cups. Yun lang talaga. I love it. And now, kaka-edit ko lang din for work kasi technically, I'm work from home today, so I have to do the work stuff. Ganyan talaga. Pero, we'll be going ahead na sa MASCOM kasi we have a meeting. So, this meeting is very important for the organization. Ayun. We'll be going ahead now and punta na tayo sa MASCOM. I'll be with Meko. So, check ako kung makakapag-vlog ako. Pero, guys, ang init talaga. So, make sure to stay hydrated. Eat well. Magpalakas ng resistensya. Dahil grabe yung init ng panahon. Grabe. It's not giving. Anyway, enough with the chika. I'll be going ahead na.
Nasa yung topic?
Hi guys, so today it's Friday, so kailangan ko na rin magmadali because I have to go dahil ako ihatid today. But anyways, here's a quick fit check and then we'll be going na rin to Ortigas. Usual route naman tayo today, so yun lang. I think I just opened this vlog para lang din consistent tayo throughout the day since nagsimula. So yeah, let's go! Got our drink already. Hindi ko alam kung rinig ako, pero yeah. Here's our drink. So, I was craving for orange Americano kasi. So, yeah, let's try it. And let's see kung okay siya. It's sweeter than I expected. Pero it's good. I like it. Very refreshing, pero overpowering yung orange juice for me. Parang I'm craving for more coffee. But overall, for its price and size, I think it's good already. And well, Pancho is known din naman for medyo sweet drinks nila. Like, I think lahat ng drinks na try ko dito medyo on the sweeter side. So I think, yeah, this is good. Pero sana it would last me kasi nga, I need to wake up. I need to be awake sa whole day. Pero I'm glad kasi medyo na satisfy niya yung cravings ko. Ayan, greet the viewers, Mark.
Hi guys, welcome to Rita's.
McFlurry.
Resort para masasyal.
Wow. Amazing. Let's go.
Hello po. So for the photo, maybe
Pagong-pago kasi. Wala na,
Sabi nila talaga, hey! Si Gwen, Mika. Malamang. Yun lang naman gagawin mo. Niloloko mo ako, kaya mo naman. Pinupo, di ko na. One day,
Hindi mo marinig.
Hi guys. Hi. Welcome to the vlog. Let's look at the photos.
Oh, sure. Show them the photos.
Hey, I like
That's so
that photo.
nice.
This is so good. I like that.
oh, this is so good.
I like that picture.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video by Matthew Pasinos. Pasinos.
Sama mo daw si Daphne sa vlog mo
Hello
naman.
po.
ay taray, may ganyan.
Ano po siya? May 500k subscribers.
Ayaw ko sa'yo. 500k. No po, hindi po totoo. Sana po.
500K!
Fantasy ang
Ready na?
Wag naman. Wala na siyang
Appreciation Day pa naman today.
Oo nga, employee appreciation
Let's
day.
go, it's already 5 p.m.
Let's go. Thank you so much po. Just came out from a shoot.
Yeah, so sabi niya hindi niya pinapaalam ang company. By our advertisers, you probably know already what company.
Exactly.
Let me join. Let me join.
Jennifer, she knows Chinese.
Okay.
What's Chinese? Cantonese.
Chinese,
Oh my God.
Cantonese.
Let's go to the pantry na.
Marunong siya mag-taekwondo.
Hi, we got Tara. Hi po.
It's so nice.
Wala pa si AC.